Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips, where we break down the latest in cryptocurrency for you. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from your Arculus wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but we'll cover it step by step to keep things secure and hassle-free. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just exploring options, let's get started. First off, ensure you have both wallets set up and ready. Open your Arculus app, log in securely, and check your Bitcoin balance. It's always smart to double-check that you have enough BTC for the transfer, including any network fees. Next, switch to your Coinbase wallet app or website, log in, and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Here, you'll need to generate or copy your receiving address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid errors. Now, head back to Arculus. Go to the Send or Transfer section in the app. Paste the Coinbase address you copied, then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, Bitcoin transactions use the blockchain, so fees can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, review the details one last time. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify with your Arculus security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After that, the transaction is on its way. Sit tight and monitor the transfer using a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Bitcoin to appear in your Coinbase wallet, depending on network conditions. Pro tip: if it's your first time, start with a small amount to test the waters and ensure everything goes smoothly. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. This method keeps your assets safe and gives you more control over your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto updates, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.